Hello and welcome to the training for UC Chemicals profiles. Today I'm going to be going over how to access profiles, add a group, and add a location for principal investigators. If you are a lab member, you will have to request from your PI to be added to their lab group. So let's begin. I'm starting at ehs.ucla.edu and going to the Programs Tools tab, clicking on that, and then clicking on the chemical inventory. This is going to take me to an overview page. You'll be able to find all our tutorials here, as well as any known issues to better facilitate how to manage and work within UC Chemicals for UCLA. You can also find UC Chemicals login by simply Googling UC Chemicals or UCLA Chemical Inventory. Moving on, I'm getting to the In Common login page for UCOP. Here you will have to select your school, organization, or identity provider. For us, it is going to be University of California, Los Angeles. Once you select that, I would select Remember My Selection permanently so you don't have to continue going through that long list. And then go ahead and click Next. Once you log in to UC Chemicals, you'll be able to identify which application you've logged into via the top left corner where you will see UC Safety and then Chemicals. If you already have an inventory set up, it will also give you that inventory name that you are in. If you have already set up a group or an impartial inventory, you will see prompts that say that you need to add rooms in your profile or add a new group and inventory summary. At the top right-hand corner, you'll see a profile icon. Click that and then click your name to be taken to your profile page. When your profile page loads, you'll see a summary tab with your name, the email address associated, as well as any roles that you currently have. By clicking on groups, you'll be able to see all of the groups that you have. However, if you see no groups, you will be prompted to create a group if and only if you are a PI or a responsible party, such as a lab manager. I'm going to go ahead and start by creating a group. I'm going to call this my demo group and clicking Submit. Again, if you are only a lab researcher and not a PI or lab manager, you will have to request to be added to your lab group. Once you are in, you'll see People is highlighted. Go ahead and start adding your other lab members. You can do this by first name, last name, full name, or email address. Once you've added all of your lab members, you can set up and make a delegate within your lab and as easy remove delegate as well. Before you leave, you will want to add a location. If you do not add a location, you will not be able to add an inventory within UC Chemicals. Since EH&S is in the Strathmore building, I'm going to go ahead and add the Strathmore building, and I'm going to add our training room 117. We also have a room set up called 423, but I actually don't have anything there, so I'm going to easily remove it, and we're good to go. The training tab that you see here is currently not used by UCLA. And that's it. Once you've set up your group and your locations within that group, go ahead and click on the app tiles in the top right corner and navigate back to Chemicals. From there, you'll be able to add your inventory, upload it, or edit it. I hope this helped you out, and if you have any questions regarding the chemical inventory system at UCLA, please feel free to reach out to chemical inventory at ehs.ucla.edu with any of your questions.